Hi guys. All right, we are going to work on a little unblending this morning, and I want you to be listening extra carefully for the first sound that you hear in a word. The first sound, or any sound in a word, is called a phoneme, and you can remember it because like when you talk on the phone, you hear sound. So when you hear me say phoneme, those are the sounds. We're working on the sounds today, the phonemes. Here we go. My first word is lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. Let's unblend. Oh no, first we're going to echo. Echo lamb. I say lamb. You say lamb. L, a, m. Lamb. What was the first phoneme, first sound you heard in lamb? Ooh. Oh, good job. Oh was the first phoneme or sound we heard in lamb. Let's do another one. Yell. Echo. I say yell. You say. Good. Now you unblend it. All right, let's see if you got it right. Watch me. Yell. Y. O. Yell. What's the first phoneme or first sound we heard? Y. Y. Good job. Next one. Coat. Echo. Coat. That means I say it, then you say it. Okay. Coat. Unblend. Good. Let's see how you did. Coat. K-O-T. Coat. What's the first phoneme we heard? K. Good. All right, you have two more to go. Here's your next one. So. We're going to echo it. I say it. So. You say it. Unblend it. Let's see if you did it right. Watch me. So. S-O. So. First phoneme or sound we heard. S. Yes. Last one. Here we go. Your word is pin. Like I write with a pen. I say pin. You echo it. Unblend it. Good. Now watch me and see if you got it right. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. What's the first phoneme or sound that we heard? P. Good. Remember, no voice with your P. P. Good job, guys.